Hello my dear students, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to study a new topic and the topic name is articles. You know very well about the article. You know about use of a, and the article. So today we will learn more about these two kinds of article. So, what is the definition of article? What do you understand by the article? So, we can define the article. So, articles are the words that define something is specific or unspecific. Okay? That means, articles defines something is particular or not particular. Okay? Now, we will learn the kinds of article. Kinds of articles. So there are mainly two kinds of article. The first one is indefinite article. And second one is definite article. Okay. In indefinite article, we use a and an. Okay. But in definite article, we use a single article, that is, the article name is what? The. In this article, we use the. The is what? Example of definite article, and a and an are example of indefinite article. Why do we call a and an as indefinite article? A और an को हम लोग indefinite article क्यों बोलेंगे? Because it talks about any, not particular. For example, we can see here and we can understand. Let me rub the board and I will give you sentence example in order to make your concept more clear. Yes, my dear student. As I told you, I will give you sentence example in order to make your concept more clear. So there is one example I have taken here. If I write here, indefinite article talks about any. Indefinite means not specific, not particular. It means any. कोई भी हो सकता है. Okay? But definite articles talks about some particular, किसी खास के लिए ही the article का use किया जाता है. Now, come to the example. I have taken one example. He consulted a doctor. Please kindly pay attention over here. I have written here, he consulted a doctor. Here, a doctor means any doctor. Here, the doctor is not defined over here. यहाँ पे किसी खास डॉक्टर के बारे में बात नहीं हो रही है. यहाँ पे डॉक्टर मीन्स कोई भी डॉक्टर. ओके. बट इन definite article, I have taken example. He consulted the doctor. He consulted the doctor. That means here, if I had used article the, that means there is some particular doctor. I am talking about some particular doctor. किसी खास डॉक्टर के बारे में मैं बात कर रही हूँ और इसी वजह से मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है the. Got it? Now you will give heading use of article. Use of articles. So at first I will teach you use of indefinite article. As you know that in indefinite article we use a and an. Okay. So let me give you some more examples of use of indefinite article. Kindly give heading use of indefinite article. Okay, indefinite articles. Indefinite article. Indefinite article A is used before a consonant letter or sound. Okay, so indefinite articles. Article A is used before a consonant letter and consonant sound. Okay, if it has the sound of consonant, then also we will use article A before the word. For example, you can understand here a book. Okay, because you know very well there are total 26 letters in English alphabet, in which five letters are vowel, you know very well. A, E, I, O, U, and remaining apart from these 5 letters, other are consonant. So if you get anywhere article, the word starting with the vowel A, E, I, O, U, in that condition you will use an. But if the word start with a consonant letter, then we will use article A. अगर हमारा कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है वर्ड तो हम लोग आर्टिकल ए यूज करेंगे, और अगर हमारा वॉवेल लेटर से वर्ड स्टार्ट होता है तो उसके पहले हम लोग किसका यूज करेंगे, एन का. सो नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू एग्जांपल ऑफ indefinite article a, in which I will take example of those words which start with a consonant letter. For example, a book. B, the starting word of this noun is what? B. You know very well B is what? Consonant, and that is why I have put over here A. A book, a cat. Okay. A book, a cat, you can take any example, a chair. Okay, here these are example of what? Indefinite article A. Alright, like this you can take another example also, computer. Okay, computer I have written here, then table, chair, bag, etc. Because the letters start with what? Consonant, and that is why I have used everywhere a, that is indefinite article A or a. Okay, according to the word we have to use article, indefinite article A. Okay, now come to the another example. If I write over here an apple. Okay, so apple, the starting letter of this apple is what? Vowel, because there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. So you are getting vowel here A with this word, and that is why we will use here an. Okay, so an apple, an orange, an orange. Okay, an egg. Got it? So these are the examples of indefinite article an. You got it? In next class, I will teach you the another kind of article the, and after that I will teach you omission of article. Okay? This was all about your today's class. For the time being, you will just revise all topics of grammar and the literature, because very soon we are going to conduct your exam. So prepare yourself properly. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.